Flicker Transition Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening Alight Motion and waiting for the app to load completely. Once the application is ready, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. After selecting the settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Once the project is open, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footages that you want to use. After the footage layers have been added to the timeline, select the first footage layer to begin creating the transition effect. With the first footage selected, go to the Effect option and choose Exposure/Gamma. After adding the Exposure/Gamma effect, open its settings. Locate the exposure parameter and turn on the keyframe option so the exposure value can be animated over time. Next, move to the end of the first clip and add 3 keyframes. Set the first keyframe to the default exposure value. Then move forward a few frames and increase the exposure value for the second keyframe. This creates a bright flash in the footage. After that, move forward a few more frames and decrease the exposure value for the third keyframe. This change from normal brightness to a brighter value and then to a lower value creates the flickering effect. Once the first 3 keyframes are in place, add another keyframe in the middle between the 2 footage layers. Increase the exposure value on this keyframe. This extra brightness helps strengthen the transition and creates a more noticeable flicker between the clips. Continue adjusting the exposure values until the flicker effect looks the way you want. After finishing the animation on the first footage, move to the second footage layer and repeat the same process. Select the second footage and add the Exposure/Gamma effect if it has not already been applied. Then turn on the exposure keyframe and create the same pattern of keyframes. Start with the default exposure value, move forward a few frames to increase the exposure, then move forward again to decrease it. Add another keyframe around the middle area between the 2 footages and increase the exposure value there as well. Finally, you have been successfully make Flicker Transition in Alight Motion.